Hi guys, I'm Irina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the channel where you'll find health and beauty tips, DIY recipes, and seriously useful tricks. Each week there is a brand new video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you're always the first to know when I upload a new video. And of course, do not forget to comment below to say hello. In this video today, we're talking about your pillow. Well, pillow is a very important thing. Believe it or not, I really use this pillow to sleep. It's a travel pillow, extremely soft. But coming back to the topic, pillows sometimes really can affect the way our skin looks and even the way our hair looks. And sometimes it's not really that obvious. So in this video, I want to share with you a few things that you might be missing with your pillow. First thing, and it's really important here, I paid it serious attention when my skin was suffering from acne, is that pillowcase can really clog your pores. And it's not really about the type of the case that you have, it's about the hygiene and the amount of times you really change that pillowcase. Imagine this, your pillow is like a sponge. So whatever there is oil, dirt, makeup, whatever is on your face, your pillow is absorbing this. And there are dead skin cells on your pillow, of course, and all this might cause your skin to break out. You probably will never really find that correlation that easily, but I did, and aside from the fact that you shouldn't be touching your face, so it doesn't cause even more breakouts, pillowcase is the one to look after. I understand you may say that I really frequently change my pillowcase, but just imagine this, you keep sleeping on the pillowcase for 2 weeks, and then every single day you come back and all those dead skin cells and microorganisms, they come back intact with your skin cells. And every skin is different, your skin might become sensitive. So again, it might really cause a breakout. We don't want this inflammation to happen, and I personally try to change my pillowcase at least once a week. And if that seems a little too often, for your laundry, you can just turn your pillowcase inside out and you will be sleeping on a clean side again without even doing that laundry thing. So I really think that this tip works, and I personally feel really good every single time I change my pillowcase. Do not forget that your pillow itself, it has a shelf life. Also, when you're doing laundry, it's very important to use natural products. But also, your pillow has, your pillowcase should have only natural material, because sometimes our skin might be also prone to inflammation if it's too sensitive. So talking about laundry, sometimes you might notice that your skin has become like really irritated, itchy, and probably red. Your laundry detergent might be the one to blame. In this case, I would recommend to use really clean products, or probably even homemade detergent. On EWG database, you could really find the product that you like. And never forget to take your makeup off when you go into sleep. So once we've cleared out the fact that a pillow could cause a breakout or make your skin really itchy or irritated, we also need to think about the idea that the pillow can cause some premature aging. There is actually a term which is called sleep wrinkles, and when people get older, and I am getting older, and I've really noticed it, sometimes when you sleep on the stomach or just on one side in the morning when you wake up, your face won't really look as good as, let's say, if you are sleeping on your back throughout the night, which is really hard. Believe it or not, if you are sleeping on your pillow, when you're sleeping on your stomach, you might really develop premature wrinkles, or those creases as they're called. In this case, I would recommend to just get a really comfortable pillow that you would be comfortable with sleeping on your back. And it's really hard to control the way you sleep at night, but maybe if there is a moment when you can be a little more alert and you find yourself on the stomach, just get back on the back. And also maybe the silk pillow would be a better option, because it won't be causing that many creases, or probably a satin pillow as well. Another very important thing, there is a rule that you should never apply your nighttime routine creams or any other products just before going to sleep. Well, the major reason here is that pretty much everything you've applied will end up on the pillowcase, and that's really the main reason here. You don't want to do that, so a rule of thumb is try to apply any skincare product for your nighttime routine at least half an hour before going to bed. And if there is like an excess amount of cream, you know, if you're using a really seriously heavy moisturizer, try to pat it dry with a napkin. So again, this cream doesn't end up on your pillowcase. So I think these reasons are really something to think about, because there is a term beauty sleep, and a pillowcase and our pillow itself and the way we sleep is very important. So because sometimes the easy things are being so easily neglected. So again, when I was suffering from acne, the really clean pillowcase was a must for me. Also, sometimes you might think that your hair doesn't look that good recently, so your pillowcase and your pillow could also be the one to blame. In this case, I would recommend again some silk or satin or pillowcase, because it will help your hair not to get that much friction at night, and probably would promote healthier and better looking hair in the morning. I hope you guys really like this video. All in all, we spent about a third of our lives with our faces in our pillows, so this video really does make sense. I wish you guys all the best. I wish you have the best beauty sleep. This is so important, right? And I wish you to stay very happy and healthy. I wish you to stay very positive. I wish you to stay hydrated. Let's bring another tip today. And I will be very happy to see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs up if you like this video, you found it useful, and I will be very grateful if you do.